Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the Jio SIM is active and mobile data is working. This is essential because Hotspot shares that connection. Once done, make sure battery saver is off so tethering isn't blocked. Now navigate the menu to Settings, then Connectivity or Network Settings. On many keypad models, the path is Connectivity right arrow mobile data. You do this first to expose the tethering options. Skipping it wastes time, so open those menus and prepare to enable the hotspot. Once in Connectivity, tap Tethering or Portable Hotspot to enter the hotspot controls. You do this because default settings are often insecure. You then set an SSID name you can recognize and choose WPA2 or similar security. This prevents freeloaders. Enter a strong password, and if available, pick the AP band or leave it default for compatibility. After configuring, toggle the hotspot on. Your phone will begin broadcasting the network, so other devices can discover and connect to it. You now switch to the device you want online. Find the SSID you named, enter the password, and confirm you have internet. If the client connects but no data flows, make sure mobile data on the Jio phone is enabled and toggle hotspot off then on. This often resets the link. If that fails, restart the Jio phone, verify APN settings match carrier defaults, and check your data balance because zero data stops tethering. One key tip: toggling mobile data usually fixes most connection problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.